Ever wondered why finding a healthy breakfast option for weight loss feels like searching for a needle in a haystack? Well, fret no more. This video is here to demystify that process and make it as easy as whipping up your favorite comfort food. First on the menu is a delight called the protein-packed smoothie. Start by tossing a handful of spinach into a blender. Not only is spinach a low-calorie option, but it's also high in fiber, which aids in digestion. Next, add half a ripe banana for a natural sweetness and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Blend these ingredients together with a cup of almond milk. For an added health boost, sprinkle in some chia seeds or flax seeds, and there you have it, a breakfast smoothie that's as tasty as it is beneficial for weight loss. Moving on to the second recipe, it's time to meet the savory oatmeal. Begin by cooking a half cup of steel-cut oats. While they're simmering, sauté some bell peppers and onions in a pan. Once the veggies are tender, mix them into your cooked oats. Top it off with a poached egg for a protein kick, and sprinkle some black pepper for taste. This dish combines the heartiness of oats with the freshness of vegetables, making it a perfect breakfast for those on a weight loss journey. The third mouth-watering recipe is the classic avocado toast with a twist. Start by toasting a slice of whole grain bread. Once it's nice and crispy, spread a mashed ripe avocado on top. The creaminess of the avocado is a great contrast to the crunchiness of the toast. Now for the twist, add a layer of smoked salmon. This provides a rich source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Sprinkle some chili flakes for a bit of heat, and voila, a breakfast that's as nutritious as it is flavorful. To summarize, finding healthy breakfast options for weight loss doesn't have to be a daunting task. The protein-packed smoothie provides a quick and easy start to the day, full of fiber and protein. The savory oatmeal offers a hearty meal, combining the benefits of oats and vegetables. And the avocado toast with a twist adds a burst of flavor and essential nutrients to your morning routine. Each of these recipes is not only delicious, but also aids in weight loss by keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. So, bid farewell to the monotonous diet plans and say hello to these flavorful, nutritious breakfast options. Enjoy your journey to a healthier you.